Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to approach an educational video on long hair designs. Now, before you get into the long hair designs, or better known as UpDo's, there are quite a few things that you should be aware of. One is that the UpDo's, or Hair Up, is designed with three main categories. One of the categories is braiding, which is the one we're going to discuss and demonstrate today. Another one is called rolling hair, where you could actually set the hair in rollers and/or hot rollers to roll the hair. And the last category is twisting, where you actually twist the hair. So those are the three main categories for long hair design, or UpDo's, and it's important for you to have a good understanding of three different categories so that you can actually create that beauty in the long hair design, which entails a lot of other things besides those three basic categories. Some of the things that you should be aware of that make a beautiful long hair design is balance. That's a very key element. Another one is proportions, how big you make your long hair design. Another one is texture, so how you create the texture in the hair. These are just some, but not all, of the different categories that you must be aware of that makes beautiful long hair designs. There's actually a specialty in our industry, which is for weddings, where I have a lot of graduates that go out there and specifically focus in on long hair designs for brides, and they do very, very well for themselves, and it's a beautiful art, and I've seen magic being done by my graduates. It's wonderful to see that they started in the basics, which we're going to give you an idea of today, and they've taken that basic knowledge and basic skills and actually created beauty with them. So there's, just like anything else in hair design, there is the basic part where you have to focus in on knowing the skill set first and then actually using it to create beauty with it, and that's the creative side. So our industry has two different sides to it in anything we do, whether it be a cut, a color, a long hair design. Those type of things are very important, and those are the two things we always have to take into consideration.